Contrary to what many people think, driving a forklift is not like driving a car. Forklifts have different controls. They are heavier than cars. They steer with their rear wheels, and they are naturally unstable. Forklifts are built to raise, transport, and lower heavy loads. Because of the counterweight it carries to balance these loads, a forklift can actually weigh up to 3 times as much as a car. Forklifts have also been designed to get in and out of tight places easily, so they have a very narrow wheelbase. This all means that forklifts handle in a very unique way, and when they are mishandled, they can be dangerous. Most forklifts have the forks at the front and the counterweight at the back, which puts the machine's center of gravity somewhere in the middle. In terms of stability, the vehicle acts like a seesaw. When you put a load on the forks, you add its weight to the forklift and shift the forklift's center of gravity forward. If the load on the forks weighs less than the machine, the forklift's center of gravity will be behind the front wheels and it will still be stable. If the load and the truck weigh the same, the forklift's center of gravity will be on the front wheels. This means the forklift could easily become unstable. For instance, if you had to stop quickly. Also, when the center of gravity is this far forward, the rear wheels that do the steering have very little traction. And if they skid, you could lose control of the truck. If the load on the forks turns out to weigh more than the forklift, the center of gravity ends up being in front of the wheels. The back wheels will come off the ground, and the forklift will tip forward. This all sounds kind of complicated, so let's take a closer look. Imagine drawing 3 lines connecting a forklift's 2 front wheels and the pivot point of the rear axle. This is what's called the stability triangle. It's a map of a forklift suspension. To keep the forklift stable, its center of gravity must stay within the stability triangle. The more weight you put on the forks, the more the center of gravity shifts to the base of the triangle. And the weight on the forks isn't all you have to worry about. If a load is heavier on one side than the other, this can pull the forklift's center of gravity outside of the stability triangle as well. Sounds easy, but remember that the forklift's center of gravity can move depending on how you load it. So the closer you can keep the center of gravity to the middle of the stability triangle, the more stable a forklift will be.